This is the first step in creating a course outline to enable you to create your entire course. This is a crucial step. Please don't miss this out, because usually what happens is, like I used to do, I used to think of a course idea and then I used to try and brainstorm. This is often taught by other courses and books on the subject, and you sort of get all the information together and then you try to organize it and sort of create a course from it. This is the hard way of doing a course. In fact, usually the end result will be a course that is not focused. It's sort of full of lots of fluff and too much information. The students often get confused and often then don't even get a benefit from your course, which of course is the result your students want. So the first step is to look and create your result. Decide on what result it is your students are going to get by taking your course. So this is the result, the end that your students want to get to after they've followed your course, your bridge over to that result. So the result, as we already know, is one focused result. So essentially by the end of your course, it's what your students are going to be able to do as a result of taking your course. So it's quite a simple step, but it's crucial. So you need to make sure you put at the end of your training bridge what result it is your course is going to get your students to. What are they going to be able to do as a result? So the result of your course could be that the person is going to be able to catch large specimen fish. Or the result of taking your course is that they can take photographs or videos to put on YouTube. Or the result of your course could be that they can make money by selling items from their home on eBay. That could be the result of your course. Now, if you get all the steps of this course creation method off pat, so the second nature, you're going to find it easy to create future courses. And you want to create more courses because all the top instructors, well, virtually all of them, have multiple courses. Those are the ones that are earning a decent sized income. So that really should be your focus, and get as many courses out there as possible. And so if you learn this process and you get it second nature, then you'll be able to do this every single time without any problems whatsoever. So I want you to practice this part. So a really good way of getting a course idea is actually by looking at courses or books. So if you go into a course, say this one here is about blogging. So on this one, it could be how to start a business with a blog. So that could be the subject of your course. It could be just focus on doing that. It could be just writing blog posts for your blog, which I've got a course on. Or it could be actually creating content for your course. Or it could be generating traffic to your blog, or even marketing or making money from it, and so on and such forth. And if you click each of these sections as well, you can maybe pick one of these if you think it's large enough for a course. I mean, you want to make it too narrow, your course, and too short. So just look through courses. So I want you to practice doing that. Also, you can do this by looking at books as well. So for example, you could look at the contents page of books. You can do this for free because Amazon's Look Inside Books. You can look at the contents and you just go through the different chapters and sub-parts. And this is about fishing, so you could pick out different parts of this here. Maybe just one of these things here could be a result that you can get your students to do. Could be maybe getting cheap fishing equipment or the right fishing equipment. Could be actually tackle rigs, how to get brilliant tackle rigs or how to catch the fish. Or it could be about all of these things, depending on how large you want your course. But whatever it is, you can get your topic, your result for your course by just looking at these. So I want you to do that. I want you to go and get some practice. Look at Udemy courses on your subject area or different subjects. Also, if you want the same with books as well. And I want you to go and choose and pick results. Now, you may already have a result that you already know about, so that's great to do that. But in future, you may have to try and look for new results for new courses to carry on creating courses. So this is really important that you get this under your belt. So I want you to go away and practice that and look through and pick results for a potential courses. And I would like you to post in the question and answer section of this course what you find. I'd like you to post 3 results of a course, things that your students are going to be able to do as a result of taking a course, potential subjects. I'm not saying you've got to commit to creating these courses. This is just for practice for you. And I would like you to post that in the question and answer section to this lecture. So post a question, put 3 results for a course that you potentially could create, and I will go in and look at what you've put there and give you my opinion of that. So that's the first stage of creating your course. So once we've done this step of getting the result in place for the course to take your student to and what they're going to be able to do, we need now to go on to the next step.